Welcome to Ashwega News. This is Kritika S. Bahati. Over the past few days, tensions in Middle East have dominated global headlines. Even though the immediate situation has slightly stabilized, the conflict involving Iran, Israel and the United States continues to raise global concern. To understand why this crisis matters today, we must first look at the history behind it. The roots of this conflict go back more than 4 decades. In 1979, Iran witnessed a major political transformation known as the Iranian Revolution. Before the revolution, Iran was ruled by Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, a monarch who maintained strong relations with Western countries including the United States. However, the revolution replaced the monarchy with an Islamic republic led by Ruhollah Khomeini. After this change, Iran adopted strong opposition towards both the United States and Israel. Since then, political tensions and strategic rivalry has shaped region for decades. Another major turning point came in 2015 with the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, also known as the Iran Nuclear Deal. Under this agreement, Iran agreed to limit its nuclear program in exchange for a relief for international economic sanctions. But in 2018, the United States withdrew from the agreement and reimposed sanctions on Iran. This once again increased tensions across the region. In recent years, the rivalry has mostly taken place through the indirect confrontations, including cyber attacks, intelligence operations, and regional proxy groups. The latest escalation began in February 2026 after military strikes targeted Iranian facilities. Iran responded with missile and drone attacks in parts of the Gulf region. One of the biggest global concerns during the crisis has been the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow sea route connects the Persian Gulf to the Arabian Sea. Nearly 20% of the world's oil supply passes through this route every day. The strait lies between Iran and countries like United Arab Emirates and Oman. Major trade hubs such as Dubai depended heavily on this route for a global shipping and oil exports. Because of the conflict, there were fears that oil tankers might be blocked or delayed in this region. However, shipments have continued. In fact, India has already received oil cargo through the Strait of Hormuz despite the tensions, showing that the route has not been completely disrupted. But the situation remains sensitive. Countries are closely watching the region because even small disruptions can push global oil prices higher. For India, this issue is particularly important. India imports around 85% of its crude oil, and a large share of that oil comes from the Gulf countries through the same route. If tensions continue for a longer period, India could face higher fuel prices, rising inflation and pressure on the economy. There are also millions of Indian workers living across Gulf countries whose livelihoods depend on stability in the region. For now, the immediate crisis appears contained, but the long history of rivalry in the region means the situation could change quickly. This is Kritika S. Bahati for Ashwega News. Stay informed, stay aware, and see the bigger picture everywhere.